Hey there, today I'm diving into a fascinating trend that's reshaping the world of design, jelly-like UI, UX design. Imagine digital interfaces that move like jelly, smooth, fluid and adaptable. Sounds fun, right? Well, it's more than just fun, it's a game changer. First up, let's talk about interactivity and engagement. Jelly-like animations make user experiences more playful and enjoyable. It's like turning your screen into a mini playground. And who doesn't love that? Next, adaptability and responsiveness. These designs effortlessly adjust to different screen sizes and devices. Whether you're on a phone, tablet or desktop, everything feels just right. It's like having a personal tailor for your digital experience. Then there's the organic and intuitive design. Mimicking real-world physics, jelly-like interfaces make interactions feel natural. It's as if your device understands you better. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. Now, let's add a splash of emotion and playfulness. A softer, more fluid aesthetic creates a friendly and inviting interface. Perfect for creative apps, games, or anything that needs a human touch. It's designed with heart. And here's the kicker. It reduces cognitive load. Smooth transitions help users process information more easily. Say goodbye to abrupt changes that leave you scratching your head. But wait, there's more. Jelly-like materials aren't just digital. In art and design, they create unique textures and forms that traditional materials can't match. In fashion, think of futuristic clothing that adapts to movement. And in 3D modeling, it allows for flexible, ergonomic prototypes. Cool, right? We're also seeing it in product design. Soft robotics use jelly-like materials for adaptable medical tools. Edible designs create dissolvable packaging and culinary wonders. And sustainable, safe materials mean a better planet for us all. So that's why jelly-like design is taking over. It's not just a trend, it's the future. Thanks for watching and stay creative.